Hey gang, let's talk about money and brains. You still there? Okay. Do you think money equals brains? Oh, you are a freaking idiot. Money is not brains. Money's not brain power. Money doesn't make you smarter. So if you got a lot of money, you think that makes you smarter than other people? No. It just makes you richer than other people. Today I saw on the news some rich guy paid 80 megabucks for a aluminized mylar balloon animal shaped like a rabbit. I'm not talking big enough to put the entire population of Phoenix in and float them to the moon. About that tall. $80 million. Aluminized mylar balloon animal. That guy's a freaking idiot. These rich people paid millions of dollars to create phony profiles so they can get their substandard kids into college. One Chinese family paid, what was it, 18 million to get their little girl into Stanford. They could have built an entire company. Did the turnkey number, pushed her in the front door. Sink or swim, sweetheart. She'd learn in a hurry. Don't get me wrong, Stanford's a real good school. But for $18 million? Seriously, if I had $18 million and I wanted an education, I just set up another business. Really, really. And there's a guy, a rich guy obviously, who proclaims that the sole measure of a person's worth is their bank account. That guy loses his money, oh, he's worse than steer manure. By his own words, he's totally useless, of no value. Me, I ain't got no money. I'm still a man. I can hold 1/1000th of an inch tolerance on a good machine tool. Better than that on really good ones. I mean, you give me the right measuring equipment, the right materials, machinery, and information and time to do it right. Don't be jogging my elbow while I'm working, screaming at me, why isn't it done yet? Not for anything. Sure, it takes money to do some things. The only thing really free is dying. And if a guy decides he wants to do that, I'll just go out in the woods, lay down and die, it's over. Who's he hurting? Obviously the entire world, because they go out there and they drag him back into society and rehabilitate him. How many of them end up with a firearm, killing a bunch of people? Maybe you should have let that guy just stay in the woods and replenish the soil peacefully. But, you know, money, making someone better than me, You're proving it by going out of your way to destroy me. Selling me poisonous foods and medicines. Substandard products. And somehow you get the rich people to think, oh, I gotta have that. Because you only have to push the button a micron before it comes on. Don't worry, it sounds like a threshing machine while you're trying to listen to that record, but that micro switch, you got a 1 micron throw. Keep that garbage for the rich and stupid.